Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my nails. This is what is on my right hand right now. It's the polygel nails I did using Macarte polygel, and here's a quick update on them. So far they're doing okay. The star glitters did fall off, but other than that they are still really good. There's also no lifting at all, and the top coat is absolutely amazing. So yes, those have been on for about 1 or 2 weeks now, I think a week. So yeah, that's that on that. So I'm starting off my nails today with some gel base coat. This is just a random one I got from Amazon, and I'm basically just going to be applying my nail tips. And these nail tips I got a long time ago from AliExpress. I really just forgot about them and saw them the other day, so I decided to use them, and I'm applying them with base coat gel because that's just easiest for me, and that way they also remove easier. If you've ever tried that before, they do remove easier. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing some glue at the tip of the nail and all over my nail bed. Then I'm putting the nail tip onto my nail and placing that under the light, and make sure that you hold down the tip really well so that there are no air bubbles, because that can cause the nail tip to pop off as you're doing your nails, which has happened to me before and is extremely annoying. So yes, definitely use base coat gel. It is quicker in my opinion. It doesn't last as long, but that's good if you want to change out your nails often. So yeah, I really enjoy using base coat gel. It's quite easy for me. And in today's video I wanted to do some acrylic nails. So here I am just cutting these down. I'm using my nail scissors. These are not dog nail scissors. These are made for nails. Not for dogs, not for dog nails I mean, but for like humans, I guess. And here I am just making sure that the free edge is nice and straight. I'm just using my file to fix up any wonky bits. And today I'm going to be using my favorite Glitterbels core powder. It's in shade Pink Opal Shimmer, and I did end up buying this in the bigger jar version because I love it so much. And I'm basically going to be doing a full nail of this as my base. I wanted to just switch it up from polygel, so if you do enjoy acrylic, then I hope you enjoy this video. Yes, I really do like acrylic. I have a lot of Glitterbels acrylic. If you've not seen my hauls, I will link those down below. And with acrylic, I just like to use when I want a quicker nail. For example, instead of polygel, which is also very quick, I don't have to worry about keeping my nails under the light for 60 seconds each. So when I use acrylic, I know I can just apply, make it nice and smooth, and be ready to go and start filing. So for me, sometimes just depends on how I feel. I do like to use acrylic for that reason. I also find that with acrylic there is more shade range, more glitter range as well. So those are just some of the reasons why I like to use acrylic. And I also like to switch it up, so I don't always like to use polygel, but I like to go back to my acrylic from time to time, and this is one of those times. So as you can see, this is like a super light pink color, and I decided to get the one with the shimmer in it. So this is called Pink Opal Shimmer because it has like this orangey goldish really fine glitter in it. And I really like these nails matte more than I do shiny. I've had a full nail of this and I added like a shiny top coat, but one day I'm hoping to do like a full set of this, as you'll see in the end of this application process, that it's gonna be like all matte, and I absolutely love that. So let me know if you want me to upload a picture of my nails like that on Instagram or something, because I will I can definitely do that because I really do like the shade matte. As for my acrylic application, I have definitely been getting better with acrylic for sure. Of course, it is easier to work with core powders instead of coloured or glitter powders. I'm not sure why that is. It must have something to do with the formula or something, but yes, I have definitely improved, and I felt really good about these nails as I was done with the acrylic application part of it. So yes, I just feel like my practice is really paying off because I think they look pretty good. Let me know what you think down below. And this nail design that I'm going to be doing after the acrylic, it has been requested by a couple of people now, not too many, but I thought I might as well just come on here and show you guys how I did it. So as you saw in the beginning or the thumbnail of this video, it's basically going to be the galaxy type nails with the marbling and stuff. And I did those nails a long time ago with polygel, dual forms, but it was before I think I started my YouTube channel, and it was when I was just experimenting and learning how to use polygel. So I remember using dual forms for those, and then I was there were definitely some imperfections, so I decided to just basically throw black over it to hide them. And then I realized I wanted to do a design over them, and so I just chose to do the easiest way of doing marble as a beginner. That's what I knew at the time, and I'm going to show you the exact same method I used in this video, and it's going to be really quick and easy. So after I quickly threw on some acrylic onto my nails as a base, I'm filing them, and because as you guys know, I like to apply my products really smooth so that I really reduce my filing time. I did not use an e-file because I just need to do some buffing over the surface and some really quick shaping on the sides to crispen up that shape, and that was pretty much it. Nothing too crazy with these nails. So yes, I'm just gonna quickly file everything. Of course, you can always go in with your e-file and file even more and make it even more smooth, but I was yeah, these are fine. I'll just file them, buff over them, and they're good to go. So yes, definitely try to make your application as smooth as you can if you want to reduce your filing time. If you want a video on how I do filing of my nails, my filing routine is, let me know down below, and I will definitely put a whole video with different tips and tricks on how to get great filing results, I guess, if that's what anyone who's watching is interested in. Also, thank you to everyone who's helped me reach over 6k now. It really means a lot, so thank you to everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're enjoying this right now, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps my channel out, and also turn on your post notifications if you want to be notified of any similar videos that I upload to this. And yes, thank you once again. So now that is done, I'm just wiping away all that dust super well, and as you can see, the nails are nice and matte, and they just, I don't know what it is about these nails, but they just looked really nice to me. Okay, so yes, anyways, back onto the design. I'm starting off with this black gel polish. You can do this with regular polish as well. And I forgot to use my Glitterbels black gel polish because I realized I lost it. Yeah, I lost my black Glitterbels gel polish. Luckily, I had this backup from Amazon. It's a I forgot what it's called. I think it's called V-Shine or something from Amazon. It's quite good, as you can tell. It's really opaque. I think it's actually more opaque than the Glitterbels one. I definitely got away with one coat on this because I was going to throw on a bunch of bright colors, so it didn't really matter. And don't forget to push the gel polish up. As you can see, I pushed that gel polish up with the brush and then drag down. That really helps to get a nice round smooth cuticle area without touching it to your skin. Of course, if you do touch it to your skin, then definitely just get a cleanup brush and definitely just wipe that away, and it should be fine. So apply your layers nice and thin too. That prevents like the weird wrinkling that you get with black gel polishes sometimes. And then if you have to, just go over it with another coat instead of 2 thick coats. But this black was quite opaque that I got away with one really thin coat. So yeah, definitely try get your hands on this black gel polish if you're looking for a good one. I've been using this for about a couple of months now, and I would say it's pretty good as well. I really like it. So I'm using my gel polishes from Glitterbels called Wedding Ring, Possum Sparkle. This one is, I think, Knockout. Yep, Knockout. And White Gloss, which are basically all the Glitterbels gel polishes. And I'm basically going to use my dotting tool and do this back and forth motion. You can swivel the colors in whichever direction you want. I just did this at the time, and that's going to start marbling the colors already, as you can see. And I'm just using a flat round brush and I'm picking up the colors, and then I'm making sure to place the brush nice and flat on the nail and release slowly. Don't just drag it across the nail. So whatever side the gel polish is on, that's the side that will basically show up on the nail as the design part. So the gel polish will basically release off the brush and onto your nail. So make sure that you definitely have enough on your brush, especially with long nails. But if you don't, then definitely work on the nail in small sections, and you can always add in colors where you feel like they're missing. So here I felt like it needed a bit more purple, so I added that in, and that's it, guys. Like, it's that simple. It's nothing too hard or crazy. Now with this one, I felt like the colors got blended a bit. So I'll actually show you in the end how I fixed that, and there was a lump in there from, like, I think cured gel polish. So yeah, sorry about that. But I'm just gonna carry on doing that, and I think in the original design I kind of had it dispersed randomly on the nail, so it wasn't covering like the full nail. I might upload a picture of it. If not, then I'll link it down below from my Instagram. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple, as you can tell. Like, this is taking me no time at all. I probably did the whole hand in, like, I don't know, 3 minutes. Like, it was that quick. And don't worry if it's not perfect. I'm going to show you how to add or remove any colors that are missing or you feel like you need more of on afterwards once we're done, and it will definitely look just how you want it. Hopefully I'm gonna use a striping brush. It's gonna be the one from Glitterbels, of course, and I'm just placing the colors on my palette that I feel like I need. So here I need some green, and I'm just applying that over on the wet gel polish. Do not cure your nails. You want to do this on the wet, already placed marble, and I'm just adding in colors randomly. As you can tell, it's really easy. I'm just swiveling those around and following the shape and pattern that's going on the nail. You can also introduce new colors if you want, as like maybe something that you want to stand out more, or it's completely up to you. So here I am on the last one, adding some of that wedding ring. I really like this color. I did an unboxing of all my Glitterbels products. If you want that, I will try to link that down below. And then for the thumb, I'm just going in with some purple and some green. And definitely use a light hand for this. You don't want to dig into the marble because you will disturb it. And don't like add too many colors, because then everything will just it will kind of just look all messy and like all blended, I guess. So now once I've done that, I've cured these nails now, so now they're cured, and I'm going in because I'm going to do some stars. So I'm using my really tiny end of the dotting tool, and I'm placing some dots to start making some stars. So just place your dots wherever you want a star, and then get some white on your brush. And then the trick to this is to just drag ever so slightly from the edge of the dot with very minimal product on your brush. You don't want, the more product you have on your brush, the thicker the star lines are gonna look, and then it's gonna not give that kind of magical star. It's just gonna give a really thick type of looking star. So yes, since I've learned this method, I've absolutely loved it, and it looks great every time. Of course, do practice getting your lines nice and straight. That can also be quite a difficult thing. I'm still practicing. As you can tell, not all the stars are going to be absolutely perfect, but I'm definitely getting there. And yeah, and that's pretty much what I did. Oh, also I want to mention, if you want to add some glitter before you cure the marble part of it, you definitely can. I think in my original design I had some glitter, but I did not put it in this one because I absolutely forgot. I'm sorry, but it doesn't make too much of a difference. You just add it in your marble and it's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, now I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and before I go, yeah, I'm just adding some dots as well. Okay, so now that's done, I'm basically curing that, and I'm applying my Macart gel top coat. This is a no wipe top coat, so it does not leave any sticky inhibition layer to wipe away after you're done. So I'm just applying a nice thin layer of that, and this top coat so far has been amazing. I've had this on my right hand for a good couple of weeks now, and it's still just as shiny as I applied it. So really good job, Macart. This is such a great top coat. Now I'm just applying some cuticle oil, and that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you think. Sorry it took me long to make this video. I've been doing a lot of other things and planning a lot of other stuff, but this is what the nails look like. They look absolutely amazing. Now that I'm looking at them, I do wish I had some glitter in them, but they still look really good regardless. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.